$15 a month. Thank you. Listening in Kansas. 15 final spots. $15 a month. 800-525-5683. Midstream travel. $4,000. Use it how you want. But we're now under a minute. This is it. The final minute. 800-525-5683. If you love Kayla, you didn't give anyway. Why not give now? This is it. This is the last chance to win get the travel, and you're keeping Caleb strong to broadcast the hope of Jesus every single day.
The encouragement that you receive, and then for our friends like Elmer, discharging for cancer, and listening to Caleb, remembering to choose faith over fear every moment she turns it on. That is what we can count for $15 a month. And not just in the week, because you donate a $4,000 gift of travel.
12 spots thanks to Kara. She just made a gift from Rider Text. It's $30 a month. 12 final spots. Right at 30 seconds to go. 800-525-5683. Last time, Amy.
Last final chance, last opportunity to get in to win this donated $4,000 gift of travel with your $15 a month. 800-525